Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repair or fix a worn out seat on a G29 YDRE, YDRA Yamaha Golf Cart. And this one here, sponge is missing. Just on. So they sell these on the internet, these covers for about, be about $100 delivered to your house. But they wrap around this bottom plastic, and I don't like that look. Or you can go to a Yamaha dealer and buy the whole seat, which I've seen some for as low as $150 online. This one here in Canada sells for $260, which is about $200 US. So brand new. That's the cheapest way to do it. All you got to do is transfer your armrest on either side here. It's ready to go, and your hooks. So rip this off, and you see these rust here, and there's rust on these. Let that soak there for about 10 minutes. Takes a 5mm Allen. That whole thing's turning there. Transfer your stuff over to this seat. A little bit of leather care. Let's spray that off there. Alright, that's it. Put it back on your golf cart. It's ready to go. Looks a lot better than that piece of crap that was on there for probably like that for 5 years. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel. Click below. Thank you for watching.